Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and today I was working on a blog post and I was showing some of the decorated Christmas trees, and one of the trees had this really pretty old-fashioned garland. It was like red and white striped, it was paper, and I thought, gosh, we've got some ribbon I think that looks just like that. So I went and checked, and we do, and it's kind of a glittery, icy red and white vertical stripe, and that number is RW7620F3. It's a 1.5 inches or number 9 ribbon. Now, we've all made paper garlands as children in school. My grandkids have done it. One year I decorated my whole tree with just paper garlands that they had made out of construction paper. So I thought, well, could you probably do the same thing with ribbon? So I just did a few test strips, and I cut this like 10 inches and made the loops. And I thought it was cute. Of course, it's just wired ribbon, so you know it'll maintain its shape very well. And I thought it was cute. So I'm going to zoom in close and show you how I did that. Now I cut the pieces 10 inches in length, and I'm using a hot glue gun. So what I'm going to do is just take the hot glue gun and put a layer of glue on the edge. I want to be sure and get it all the way to the edge. Of course, you want to take the piece that you've already done and just press those edges together. Of course, this is striped, so I want to make sure that the stripe lines up. Okay, and just repeat that. I mean, like I say, this is really easy. Of course, you have to be careful, you know, with hot glue. And the 10 inches was just an experiment. Of course, I'm not ready to decorate my Christmas tree or anything yet, but I just thought it looked just like, this was a raz garland too. Of course, it was, you know, I'm pretty sure, I don't think we bought it, but it was kind of an expensive garland. So I thought this is a good knockoff. It will give you the same effect. And with it being wired ribbon, you know, if it gets crushed, or if you use it one year and put it away in a box, next year, you know, it's wired, you can fluff it back out. So that's what that looks like, okay? So, of course, you could do that with any kind of Christmas ribbon or anything, and I thought, well, heck, I've got some extra ribbon, why don't I see how some Halloween would look? So I pulled out some, this is just a purple glitter ribbon. I think it's still on the website. If it's not, we probably have another kind. It's RGA 130023. And then I thought, this is perfect for jelly ribbon. And I know we have some of it. It's RG018370. And some lime glitter. That's RGA 130033. And then some black jelly. I know we have that in stock. That is RG018370 So I just thought that would just make a cute Halloween garland. So I'm just going to put some of it together. We'll just see how it looks. I think I'll just alternate. I mean, that glitter is just, you know, really stands out on a tree. And of course, this is all wired. Oh, and this is just an AdTech high temp glue gun. I'll give you the link for that. An Amazon link. Okay. And I'm just going to alternate my colors. I love Halloween. I haven't really done any decorations for Halloween yet. I did do a Halloween wreath last year, and I'll probably use that same wreath on my door again this year. I like that. Isn't that cute? And we're going to go with the black. Of course, the jelly ribbon does not have a right or a wrong side, so it doesn't matter which way you do it. Of course, if you're using ribbon that does have a right and a wrong side, you want to make sure you get the right side up. Don't burn your hands. Let me just do a couple more. And you should, I cut my pieces in 10 inches. Most all of our ribbon is 10 yards, so you've got 360 inches on a roll. So you ought to be able to get 36 pieces. So, but I haven't done a whole yard. I haven't used up a whole ribbon spool, so I can't tell you exactly, how far a spool of ribbon will go. But these are all scraps that I have here at the house, and this is a great way. This would be a great way to use up your scraps. Especially like the Christmas ribbon. It doesn't have to all be the same style. Okay, but isn't that cute? I think that's cute. And then when I was looking at jelly ribbon, because I really like the way the jelly ribbon looks. It just kind of transparent and kind of sparkles. I just really like the way that looks. I have some 2.5 inch that is different. It's 2.5 inches, but it has this iridescent edge. Now this is in stock also. It's X980140-28. And I thought, well, I don't know about I was not thinking about making a garland with that wider ribbon, but I thought it might work if you just cut off the edges. Cut that iridescent edge off that has the wire. We have it in several different colors. What I had here at the house was this hot pink, and I have some blue or turquoise. So let me just cut a piece of it. Now, I'm not advocating that you cut your ribbon and waste it, but for me, this is ribbon that, I've already done the project with it, so it's just taking up space in my closet, so it's better to find a use for it, to do something. Okay, so same thing. Put the glue all the way to the edges. Of course, that's wired, so you can shape it. You just keep making a loop and connecting. And depending on how old your kids are, if they're okay with using a hot glue gun, this would be a good project for them if they're, safe enough to leave them with a hot glue gun. And there's some glue guns that are cooler. This is a high temperature gun, so you can get cooler glue guns. Or, you actually, you could use Scotch tape if you wanted to, or on this jelly glue, just glue might work on this jelly glue. On this jelly ribbon, just plain old craft glue might hold it, I don't know, or staples. Anyway, I just thought, well, okay. I thought that was cute. That would be a good way to use up the ribbon that I had. Okay? Thanks for watching. I hope that you'll follow us on Facebook. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we have a Trendy Tree wreath group that is free. We'd love for you to join. Just go to Facebook and look up Trendy Tree wreath group. Okay? See you later.